excuse my manners in my previous video, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I've been away for a while and now I think I'm back, so this is better. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and please turn on the notification button just in case I upload any video, because I intend to be intentional this time around. Guys, watch me do this head wrap, a very simple one again in this series of head ties. Guys, I'm trying to do this simple hair tie. Look at the picture here. Okay, so let's start. Just watch. It's very easy to make. Hi. Hi, so please, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to like, share this video, and also leave your comment down below, and I'll definitely respond to you. Thank you. So let's continue watching and let's get this hair tie done properly and well. It's so simple, guys. All right. Slaying no easy. Let's have a recap of what I just did. Okay. Here is a slow. Is this slow now? No. Fast version of what I just did. Just like a recap. But yeah, we're gonna get it simple and lovely. Oh, look at how beautiful it is. It's simple for a minimalist. You don't need to do big gillies every time. Just try this and slay. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.